मैं विनय गौर आपका अपने चैनल में हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं। आज क्लास 9th मूवमेंट्स बुक से वेदरिंग द स्टॉर्म इन इरसामा इस चैप्टर की समरी और क्वेश्चन आंसर्स के साथ आपके समक्ष उपस्थित हूं। बढ़ते हैं चैप्टर की ओर। प्रशांत विजिट टू इरसामा एंड कमिंग ऑफ स्टॉर्म। प्रशांत की अरसामा की यात्रा और तूफान का आना। प्रशांत वेंट टू हिज फ्रेंड्स हाउस इन अरसामा ऑन 27th October 1999. It was 7 years after his mother's death. In the evening, heavy and continuous rain filled the darkness. Trees were uprooted. The water entered his friend's house. The speed of the wind was 350 kilometers per hour. प्रशांत 27 अक्टूबर 1999 को अरसामा में अपने मित्र के घर गया। यह उसकी मां की मृत्यु के 7 वर्ष के बाद था। शाम को एक अत्यधिक शक्तिशाली तूफान आ गया। भारी और लगातार वर्षा ने अंधेरे को और अधिक बढ़ा दिया। वृक्ष उखड़ गए। पानी उसके मित्र के घर में घुस गया और उस समय हवा की गति 350 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटा थी। सेंस ऑफ डिस्ट्रक्शन। एवरीथिंग वॉज डिस्ट्रॉयड देयर। द सीन ऑफ डिस्ट्रक्शन वॉज हॉरिबल। प्रशांत एंड हिज फ्रेंड्स फैमिली हैड टेकन रिफ्यूज ऑन द रूफ। Prashant wouldn't forget the horrible scene that he saw. He was greatly shocked to see a huge sheet of water all over. It covered everything as far as the eye could see. House was broken. Dead animals and human bodies floated everywhere. Huge trees had fallen. 2 coconut trees had fallen on the house of Prashant's friends. Its tender coconuts kept them alive for several days. वहां पर हर एक वस्तु नष्ट हो गई थी। विनाश के दृश्य भयानक थे। प्रशांत और उसके मित्र के परिवार ने घर की छत पर शरण ले रखी थी। प्रशांत ने जो भयानक दृश्य देखा वह उसे भूलेगा नहीं। उसे सभी स्थानों पर पानी की एक विशाल फैलाव देखकर भारी झटका लगा। उसने जहां तक उसकी आंखें देख सकती थीं, हर एक वस्तु को पानी से ढक रखा था। घर टूटे हुए थे। मरे हुए जानवर और मनुष्यों के शव इधर उधर बह रहे थे। बड़े और भारी वृक्ष भी गिर गए थे। प्रशांत के मित्र के घर के ऊपर नारियल के 2 पेड़ गिर गए थे और इसके उन कोमल नारियलों ने कई दिनों तक उन सभी परिवार वालों को जीवित रखा। प्रशांत रेडी टू गो होम। प्रशांत की घर जाने की तैयारी। फॉर अ कपल ऑफ डेज प्रशांत सेट हडल्ड on the rooftop with his friend's family. They were nearly frozen in cold wind. Prashant thought of his family. He decided to go, though his friend's family asked him to stay back. Prashant was worried about his family, so he got a strong stick. He then started on his 18 to his place. The flood waters were sullen. 2 दिन तक प्रशांत अपने मित्र के परिवार के साथ छत पर सिकुड़ कर बैठा रहा। ठंडी हवा में वे लगभग जम से गए थे। प्रशांत ने अपने परिवार के बारे में सोचा। उसने जाने का निर्णय लिया। यद्यपि उसके मित्र के परिवार ने उसे रुकने के लिए कहा, प्रशांत को अपने परिवार की चिंता थी। इसलिए उसने एक मजबूत छड़ी ली। फिर उसने बाढ़ के बहते हुए पानी में अपने 18 किलोमीटर की यात्रा अपने घर तक प्रारंभ की। बाढ़ का पानी लगातार बह रहा था। प्रशांत ऑन हिज वे टू ब्लेज। प्रशांत waded through water. On the way, he found two friends of his uncle. They were also returning home. They had to push away many floating dead bodies of human beings and animals to move ahead. There were hardly any houses left in the blaze that they passed. Prashant wept, thinking that no one in his family would have survived. प्रशांत अपने घर के रास्ते में। प्रशांत पानी में होकर अपने घर के लिए निकला। रास्ते में उसे अपने चाचा के 2 मित्र मिले। वे भी घर वापस लौट रहे थे। उन्हें आगे बढ़ने के लिए बहुत सारी मानव व जानवरों की लाशों को हटाना पड़ा। जिन गांवों से वे निकलते उनमें बहुत मुश्किल से ही कोई घर बचा था। प्रशांत यह सोचकर रोने लगा कि उसके परिवार में कोई भी जीवित नहीं बचा होगा। प्रशांत रीचेज हिज विलेज। प्रशांत अपने गांव पहुंचता है। फाइनली प्रशांत रीच्ड हिज विलेज कालीकुडा। द रूफ वॉज द ओनली थिंग दैट वॉज लेफ्ट ऑफ हिज हाउस। So he went to the Red Cross shelter to look for his family there. He saw his maternal grandmother there. It was a miracle for them to see Prashant alive. They had thought Prashant to be dead. Prashant's family was there. अंत में प्रशांत अपने गांव 18 किलोमीटर की यात्रा करके कालीकुडा पहुंच गया। उसके घर की केवल छत बची थी, इसलिए वह रेड क्रॉस की शेल्टर में अपने परिवार को देखने के लिए चला गया। उसे वहां पर अपनी नानी मिली। उनके लिए प्रशांत को जीवित देखना एक अजूबा था। उन्होंने प्रशांत को मरा हुआ सोच लिया था और प्रशांत का पूरा परिवार वहीं उस रिफ्यूजी कैंप में था। सॉरी, वो रिफ्यूजी कैंप नहीं था, एक शेल्टर कैंप था। प्रशांत नाउ लीडर ऑफ द विलेज। प्रशांत अब अपने गांव का मुखिया बना। प्रशांत डिसाइडेड टू assess the damage and the danger awaiting the survivors. All the houses in the blaze had been washed away. Prashant organized a group of youths of his village. It pressurized the merchants to give them some rice. They made a fire and cooked the rice. However, the rice was rotting. Filth, urine and floating dead bodies. प्रशांत अब अपने गांव का मुखिया बन गया। प्रशांत ने जीवितों के सामने नुकसान और खतरे का अनुमान लगाने का निर्णय किया। गांव के सभी घर बहाए जा चुके थे। प्रशांत ने गांव के युवाओं का एक समूह बनाया। इसने व्यापारी को कुछ और चावल देने के लिए बाध्य कर दिया। उन्होंने आग जलाई और चावल पकाए, हालांकि वे सड़े हुए थे। उसका अगला कदम उस जगह को गंदगी, यूरिन और बहती हुई लाशों को साफ करना था। चिल्ड्रन डिवाइस ए मेथड टू गेट फूड फ्रॉम एबव। बच्चों को ऊपर से खाना लेने का एक तरीका। On the 5th day, a military helicopter dropped food, but it didn't return. The group deputed the children to lie there. They had the empty utensils on their stomach. It was to communicate to the passing helicopters that they were hungry. Finally, they got food through airdropping. 5वें दिन सेना के एक हेलीकॉप्टर ने खाना नीचे डाला, परंतु यह फिर नहीं आया। समूह ने बच्चों को वहां लेटने के लिए कहा। उन बच्चों के पेट के ऊपर खाली बर्तन थे। यह वहां से गुजरने वाले हेलीकॉप्टरों को एक संकेत था कि वे भूखे हैं और अंत में उन्हें हेलीकॉप्टर से दोबारा से एयर ड्रॉपिंग करके खाना दिया गया। प्रशांत बिकम्स अ सर्वाइवर एंड ए सोशल वर्कर। प्रशांत बिकम्स ए सेवियर। ही ब्रॉट द ऑर्फन्ड चिल्ड्रन and made a shelter for them. He asked the woman to look after them, but he soon found that women and children were sinking deeper and deeper in their grief. He made them join the Food for Work program. It was started by NGO. He engaged older volunteers to help keep widows to start their life. He also believed that orphans should be resettled in their own community. प्रशांत एक मुक्तिदाता बन गया। वह अनाथ बच्चों को ले आया और उनके लिए एक शेल्टर हाउस बना दिया। उसने औरतों को डिप्यूट किया और अपना ध्यान रखने के लिए कहा, परंतु उन्होंने शीघ्र ही पाया कि औरतें और बच्चे अपने दुख में और गहरे डूबते जा रहे थे। उसने औरतों को अनाज के बदले, कार्य के बदले अनाज, ऐसे कार्यक्रम में आने के लिए कहा। यह कार्य एक गैर सरकारी संस्था ने आरंभ किया था। उसने दूसरे स्वयंसेवकों को विधवाओं द्वारा अपना जीवन आरंभ करने के लिए सहायता करने में लगाया। वह यह भी विश्वास करता था कि अनाथों का उन्हीं के समाज में पुनर्वास, रीसेटल्ड उनको किया जाना चाहिए। आफ्टर 6 months, 6 months passed soon after the super cyclone. Prashant now thought about himself. Earlier he had no time to bother about his own pain. The widows and orphaned children of the blaze throughout of Prashant only in their hours of grief. 6 महीने बाद उस सुपर साइक्लोन के गुजरे हुए 6 महीने हो गए। प्रशांत ने अब अपने बारे में सोचा। पहले उसे अपने दुख के बारे में सोचने का समय ही नहीं था। गांव की विधवाएं और अनाथ बच्चे दुख के समय प्रशांत के बारे में ही सोचते थे। सो नाउ क्वेश्चन आंसर ऑफ दिस चैप्टर, व्हाट हैवोक हैज द सुपर साइक्लोन wreaked in the life of the people of Odisha? Answer: it was a devastating storm which washed the houses away and destroyed hundreds of blazes. It killed thousands of people and uprooted a large number of trees. There were dead bodies all around. People became homeless and many children who had lost their parents became orphans. This crazy destruction continued for the next 36 hours. The condition seemed grim after the super cyclone. How has Prashant, a teenager, been able to help the people of Blaze? On reaching his Blaze, Prashant found deplorable condition all around him. He had leadership qualities, so he took the initiative to rehabilitate people. He made a team of young volunteers and cleaned urine, filth, vomit and floating carcasses. His team was fully dedicated to serve others. He persuaded grief-stricken women to look after children. In this way, he became a ray of hope for all. How have the people of the community helped one another? What role do the women of Kalikuda play during these days? Prashant took the initiative and mobilized everyone to help one another. In this time of distress, the people of the community joined hands together and started relief work. Women started working in the Food for Work program and looked after the orphans. Why do Prashant and other volunteers resist the plan to set up institutions for orphans and widows. What alternative do they consider? Prashant and other volunteers resisted the plan as they felt that it would not be proper to set up separate institution for orphan and widows. The group of volunteers was of the opinion that in these institutions, children would not be able to get love and widows would suffer from stigma and loneliness and isolation. The group decided to rehabilitate them in their own community. New families were made and the childless widows took care of the orphans. Do you think Prashant is a good leader? Do you think young people can get together to help people during natural calamities? Undoubtedly, Prashant is a good leader. He has all the qualities of a leader. He has a special quality of taking initiatives. His vision is quite clear. He faces adverse circumstances courageously. He is a source of energy for others and has great motivational power. I think that youth is power. This power can be used to assist society during natural disasters. Whatever job is assigned to the youth is in such circumstances they perform their duty with full spirit. Extra questions. Why had Prashant gone to Irsama? What happened there? He had gone to Irsama to spend a day with a friend, but he was caught in a terrible cyclone storm, the likes of which he had never been a witness to. Describe the storm that hit Irsama on 27th October 1999. It was a dark and menacing storm, which has a terrific wind velocity of 350 km per hour. It was accompanied by heavy and incessant rain flooding the whole area. How was his friend's family luckier than the rest of the blazers? His friend's family had a strong house made of brick and mortar, which was able to withstand the fury of the wind. Even though coconut tree had fallen onto the roof, damaging it. However, these trees provided the family with food till they were rescued. How long did Prashant stay at his friend's house? What were the thoughts that kept disturbing him? He stayed at his friend's house for 2 days. The only thought that kept disturbing him was whether his family had survived the calamity or if he was going to lose his loved ones once again. What made Prashant venture out from the safety of his friend's house in that dangerous situation? Prashant was worried that his family may have been swept away in his blaze, and he was determined to find out what had happened to them without any further delay. What were the dangers faced by Prashant on his way back to his blaze? How did he face them? The whole path back to his blaze was underwater, so he used his stick to determine the shallow part that he could walk on. At places, he had to wade through waist deep water. Why did Prashant's heart sink on reaching his blaze? His heart sank on seeing the extent of damage that his blaze had sustained. He saw only the remains of the roof of his house in place of the house. Some of the family belongings were caught in the nearly branches of tree. His family was nowhere to be seen. Why did Prashant decide to step in and lead the villagers? Prashant realized that the people at the shelter were being engulfed by a deathly grief and there wasn't enough food for the survivors. He also realized that someone had to show the people a way out of the situation and gain control over their feelings and emotions. Why did Prashant ask the children to lie on the sand with utensils on their stomach? He did this so that the helicopter pilots would see them and drop down the food packets for them. Whom did Prashant help? The orphaned children. He brought them together and put up a polythene sheet shelter for them. Women were mobilized to look after them, while the men got food and materials to build the shelter. So, thanks for watching this video. I hope these questions will help you in your examination.